Hey everyone, today's video is all about how to download Character AI on your Android device. In this video, we will guide you through the process of getting started with this amazing app. So let's dive in. Character AI is an innovative app that allows you to create and interact with the personalized chatbots. With its advanced technology, so you can design your own character, customize their personalities, and even have conversation with them. Sounds cool, right? To download the Character AI on your Android device, follow these simple steps. First, open your Google Play Store on your app, tap on it, and once you're on the home screen, you can see a search icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your search bar. Now tap on the search bar and type Character AI over here. Select the app from the search results. And this is how the Character AI looks like. Once you found the app, click on the install button to start downloading. The app will be installed on your device in just a few seconds. And that's it. Character AI is now installed on your Android device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Or you can simply tap on the open and start exploring. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Character AI on your Android device. We hope you have fun on creating and interacting with your own chatbots. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.